Hey PayPal users, want to transfer your PayPal balance to RedotPay in this year? It's a great way to use your funds with RedotPay's crypto card. So let us talk about it. Log into your PayPal account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And ensure you're in a supported country. My country is most likely not supported. For example, the supported countries include France, Germany, or Nigeria. Full list can be found at helpcenter.redotpay.com. Let us actually check that out. Right, as you can see on the screen, here are these countries that don't and do support the RedotPay as billing and mailing address. So RedotPay converts your PayPal balance to USDT, not fiat, due to their crypto focus. You'll need the RedotPay app installed. I missed this step once, and check your country first. And open your RedotPay app. After that, go to Settings, Link Accounts, and select PayPal. Log into your PayPal via the secure prompt. In PayPal, go to Wallet, link a card or a bank. Okay, so in here, you can add your virtual card as a Visa for transfers. Ensure your PayPal email matches RedotPay's or it won't work. In the RedotPay app, go to Home, Add Funds, and PayPal Transfer. Enter the amount and then review the 1% fee. Then confirm. PayPal processes the transfer, which may take 3 to 10 days to show as USDT in RedotPay. So monitor your app for the deposit. If it's delayed past 10 days, contact the support. Questions, share below, like and subscribe guys. Also ring the bell for more finance hacks. See you next time.